I Go Figure Software, and this is a very short video to highlight a couple of the new features released in version 404, automatically made available to you when we updated it, and some really cool tools in there that are making life a little bit easier and better for you that are listed in the release notes that you saw when you logged in. There are two in particular I wanted to highlight in this video just so you can see it and feel it in action. So first, I just wanted to take you into this test club here and look at the KPIs. So the KPI is as normal, shows data trends over the last couple of months compared to a year ago on revenue and member growth. And there's more on that in the second half of this video. The first thing I wanted to show to you is one of the questions that we were often asked is, what is the value of a member, or how long does a member stay a member? And so what we've done on our first pass at coming up with data to make this a simple analysis for you is we added to the member termination report the two columns, one that shows how long that person was a member and then how much money they spent at your center. That's under reports, membership, expiration, termination report. Pull that over. I've scooched over here so that the data is not, the member name is not available on this video. But in this, you will see we have two new columns. The reason why somebody left, the total number of days they were a member, and the amount of money they spent at the center. Go crazy with it. You can change the date parameter on that report so you can capture that data for a full year and export the report, average these two numbers, and you'll start to get a real sense of what it means to bring in a new member. That will very likely influence the kinds of marketing and advertising decisions you make once you have some good metrics on that. We hope you find that data super interesting. The next data-driven point that we made is in the OE tier. And let's just jump up to the OE tier and have a look. This is like it always looks. Again, the OE tier is the owner entity tier, and only an owner login will take you here. And what we've added to this is a whole new data dashboard. It's under Club Dashboard, and just click that. It'll pull up the initial view of that, which basically captures a summary of what's on your KPI, your total revenue, OK, new member, terminations, month over month for this center. But it has a bunch of other neat little nuggets in here. First is total revenue. What that does, to get there, you just select it and click search, and it'll update the report, and it gives you a trend. Instead of now just the last 2 months and a year ago, you get the full 12-month trend for that center on total revenue. Other great pieces in there are your total OK member count. This is another great one, is the new members per month for the last 12 months. And all of these reports are exportable. Just click export and it will drop it into an Excel file for you. Again, this will show some really great trending as what's going on. It might help you identify some seasonal patterns in your data on when you have more or less new members. Also, maybe a seasonal pattern on member terminations is another one. Really great data to take a look at and start to really feel around to see what really matters to your center and what things impact your bottom line. This is our first pass at this. We wanted to make this available to you and put it in the owner tier because of the sensitivity of the data. We'll be getting from feedback from your customers. We will decide whether some elements or all elements are made available in the corporate tier, and a club tier, and for employees. And any improvements or tweaks or ideas you have that might make this better for you, let us know. One other thing I wanted to point out are for folks that own multiple centers, your centers are all listed down here under this report. So you can quickly and easily do a comparison of how each center is doing and maybe apply more attention to where one center is underperforming and learn some from the ones that are performing exceptionally. Hope you enjoy the new features. We're happy to bring them to you. Keep giving us feedback. That's where we get our ideas for new stuff. So thank you for that, and thank you for your business. We'll talk more later.